Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best reusable straws is probably one of the most essential eco-friendly swaps you can make today, transforming your daily sips into a sustainable statement while reducing plastic waste and adding a touch of personal style to every drink, from morning smoothies to evening cocktails, making them a must-have accessory for conscious consumers looking to make a real difference with minimal effort. Number 5. Stanley 40-ounce Tumbler Replacement Straws. Engineered exclusively for your Stanley 40-ounce Adventure Quencher H2.0, these straws reach the bottom, ensuring no drink is wasted. They pair seamlessly with your flow state lid for a secure, leak-resistant seal, with no trimming or gaps. Crafted from high-impact Eastman Tritan copolyester, these are virtually unbreakable. They handle drops on any surface without cracking or splintering, making them perfect for your toughest adventures. Enjoy your drinks with zero plastic aftertaste. These are 100% BPA-free, odorless, and taste-free, preventing any flavor carryover between beverages. They stay crystal clear and won't develop that stale plastic smell, even after months of use. This pack includes 6 straws and an extra-long brush, providing enough clean straws for a week-long trek or daily rotation. The flexible brush ensures deep cleaning, and they are all top-rack dishwasher safe for effortless hygiene. With a wide 10mm bore, these straws handle thick drinks like post-workout shakes and smoothies with ease, ensuring a smooth, effortless flow without clogs. Plus, they sit securely in standard car cup holders, making them essential for your commutes and road trips. What we like? These straws are engineered for a perfect fit with your Stanley 40-ounce tumbler, ensuring no wasted sips. Made from virtually unbreakable Tritan, they can handle the toughest adventures without cracking. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or frequently on the go and need a durable, perfectly fitting straw for your Stanley, this is your top pick. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 4. Softy Straws Silicone for Stanley Tumblers. Are you tired of flimsy or uncomfortable straws for your favorite tall tumblers? These premium silicone straws offer the perfect solution for a superior drinking experience. They are designed for ultimate comfort and durability. Specifically designed at 12 inches, they are extra wide and long, ideal for your 40-ounce Stanley, Yeti, and other popular brands. You can even trim them to fit smaller 20 or 30-ounce tumblers with ease. Made from BPA-free, flexible silicone, they are safe for all ages and won't chip teeth. Unlike metal straws, they remain a comfortable temperature, whether your drink is hot or cold. These top-rated reusable straws are lab-tested to FDA and RoHS standards, ensuring the highest quality and safety for you and your family. Enjoy peace of mind with every sip. Cleaning is a breeze with the included patent-pending straw squeegee. Plus, they are completely dishwasher safe, tolerating temperatures from -40 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Experience the difference with these flexible, durable, and safe straws. They are the smart, eco-friendly choice for all your favorite beverages, making every drink more enjoyable. What we like? These premium silicone straws offer a soft, comfortable sipping experience that's gentle on your teeth. They are also temperature resistant, making them ideal for both hot and cold beverages without changing temperature themselves. If you prioritize comfort, safety for your teeth, and versatility for all drink temperatures, these silicone straws are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Flathead Premium Bent Silicone Reusable Straws. Discover a new way to enjoy your drinks. These straws are crafted from food-grade silicone, making them incredibly soft and gentle on your teeth. They offer a safe, flexible alternative to traditional plastic or metal options for everyone. Say goodbye to clogged straws. Their extra-wide opening is perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, and protein shakes, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted flow every time. You can enjoy your favorite thick beverages without any hassle. Designed to fit most 30 to 40-ounce tumblers, they are ideal for brands like RTC, Tervis, and YETI. Whether your drink is hot or cold, these straws are your perfect companion for on-the-go hydration. Cleaning is a breeze with these washable straws. They are completely dishwasher safe, and a handy cleaning brush is included for a thorough clean. Simply rinse them or pop them in the dishwasher for easy reuse. Each set includes 10 vibrant straws in blue, teal, purple, and pink. You also get a convenient cleaning brush and a travel bag to keep them organized. This comprehensive pack ensures you're always prepared, whether at home or on the go. What we like. This set provides soft, bendable silicone straws, making them safe and enjoyable for both kids and adults. Their extra-wide opening effortlessly handles thick drinks like smoothies and milkshakes without clogging. If you're looking for a family-friendly option with plenty of colorful straws for various thick beverages, this pack is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. ALINK 12-pack reusable glitter straws. Crafted from food-grade PETG, these straws are safe and remarkably durable. Unlike others, they are BPA-free, transparent, and designed to withstand daily use. Measuring 11 inches long, they fit various tumblers perfectly. You can even trim them to your desired length for ultimate customization. Enjoy a dazzling array of 12 rainbow glitter colors. These vibrant straws add a touch of fun and personality to every sip. They are ideal for a wide range of tumblers, cups, and jars, including popular brands like Stanley, Yeti, and Starbucks. No matter your drinkware, these straws fit right in. Cleaning is a breeze with the included extra-long brush. Simply hand wash them with water to keep them sparkling and ready for your next beverage. Your satisfaction is our priority. We stand by our product and are here to assist with any questions, ensuring a delightful drinking experience. What we like. These PETG straws stand out with their unique glitter design and come in a vibrant 12-pack of rainbow colors, adding a fun touch to any drink. They are also easily cuttable, allowing you to customize the length for any cup. If you love adding a bit of sparkle and personalization to your beverages, these glitter straws are a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 1. Dakoufish 13-inch reusable plastic straws. Are you tired of straws that disappear into your favorite tall tumblers? Finding the right length can be a challenge for those extra-large beverages. These straws are specifically designed with an extra-long 13-inch reach. They are ideal for even your largest 30 to 100-ounce water bottles and mugs. Whether you're using a thermal mug, a rambler, or a mason jar, they fit perfectly. Enjoy your drinks without the hassle of a disappearing straw. Each pack includes 12 durable straws, ensuring you always have one ready. Plus, a cleaning brush is included for easy maintenance. Made from high-quality plastic, they are designed for repeated use. Simply wash them with the included brush and they're ready for your next drink. Available in 12 vibrant colors, they add a fun touch to any beverage. Choose your favorite or mix and match for every occasion. What we like. These straws are exceptionally long at 13 inches, making them perfect for even the largest 30 to 100-ounce tumblers and water bottles. You get a generous 12-pack in a variety of colors, ensuring you always have a clean straw ready. If you own extra-large drinkware and need a reliable, long straw that reaches the bottom every time, this pack is specifically designed for you. What people say. No source reviews were provided. Unable to extract points without source content. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.